877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day?
That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026. Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1%? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
And welcome to Phil's Gang. The market's down over 2,000 points again. No surprise. I told you on January 16th, 2018, that was the end of the market, that we had this phony rally over 400%, and all because of quantitative easing, zero rates, which Bernanke put in place, didn't work, has not worked. It worked great for those in the market, but did nothing for America, nothing for Main Street. And as a result of 10 years of this phony nonsense, which I said on the January 16th, I said, mark this date down. It's the beginning of the crash of the market. I said, it's going to take time, but it's going to happen. Matter of fact, I said then, December would be the capitulation, the worst part of the first crash we're going to have. And that was in December, and it was. But my point is, this is a joke. You know, they keep blaming this whole thing on this virus. Not to say the virus is a joke, because it's not. I get that. But please, let's put this in perspective. We've been duped so many times by the fake business news networks. We're being duped again, for heaven's sakes. It's crazy how they're duping us. I mean, if you take the amount of people, they're not trying to diminish this, 80,000 people died from the flu from February 2019 to March 16th, 2020. Let me say, from February 2019 to March 2020, 80,000 people died of the flu. So far, since February of this year, 2020, 60 people are dead in the United States. 60 people. I'm not diminishing. I'm not saying that's not terrible. It is, but come on. This is a great way to mask what was coming. Now, let's go back. And but before I do, I just want to tell you, we got a special announcement, and I hope everybody comes on Saturday. We're doing a special webinar on Saturday, okay, to show you what to do in markets like this, how you make money when a market is going down. It's called shorting. You've been educated all your life. Everybody's been in the market their whole life. You've been lied to. They say, oh, don't ever short a stock. The brokerage community has lied to you. They said, don't ever short a stock. You can lose all your money. Well, that's pretty stupid. With the market going down 2,000 points a day, last Friday or last week, think about it, we had back-to-back 10% days. Up 10%, down 10%. Up 4%, down 4%. We didn't even see that in a 1929 crash, for heaven's sakes. This is ridiculous. So this market has nothing to do with, I should say it this way. Oh, it's the virus that's causing this. No, it's not. The timing was perfect for Wall Street. This was going to happen. The cancer was happening. It was already happening. Zero interest rates. They go to zero interest rates yesterday. Now it's zero interest rates. How'd that work out? In 2008 and 9. $700 billion in QE. How'd that work out in 2008 and 2009? For heaven's sakes, we did $1 trillion in QE in one day. How'd it work out? The economy, it never did well. It never did well. People thought it was doing well because they rigged the stock market to go up, and they convinced everybody the stock market is the economy when the stock market has nothing to do with the economy. The stock market reflects the sentiment of investors who invest in the market. If it's up, they're happy. If it's down, they're grumpy. Right now, they're grumpy. I mean, it's a joke. So they announced today, listen, she's all excited, Maria.
And the Federal Reserve taking emergency action yesterday, again cutting interest rates to near zero, a range of between 0.25%. In addition to that, they launched a $700 billion round of quantitative easing.
So what? We had November 2008, $1 trillion in quantitative easing. We had another round of $650 billion, November 2010. We had another $400 billion, September 2011, called the Operation Twist. We had another $1 trillion in quantitative easing, October 2012. How'd that work out? Not well. Not well. That's why we are here right now, because all that quantitative easing did was make 5% of the population very, very wealthy, while 95% of the population felt they're wealthy because they kept looking at the stock market and they go out and keep buying stuff thinking everything's okay when it wasn't okay, when the economy was imploding from within. When they were destroying, when Bernanke and Obama knew they were destroying the economy, but they didn't care. They didn't care. I mean, this is a joke and a half. I mean, to sit here and everybody thinks this is because of the virus. So if you think about it, suddenly they just had to plug in to the world's biggest pawn shop, $3 trillion. I mean, 500 billion, 500 billion, about 2 hours ago. What they call the repo market. The repo market, what that is think of the repo market. You'll hear about the repo market. Just think of that as the biggest pawn shop in the world, okay? There's about $3 trillion that goes through a pawn shop. Think about a pawn shop. So $3 trillion goes through this pawn shop, okay, every day. And the pawn shop ran out of cash. You need cash. So the banks own the pawn shop, and the banks ran out of cash. That's not good. So they just jumped in and they gave them $500 billion. I think it was 4 times they've done that now. But let's go back and to understand where this market's going to go and how you're going to end up. Okay, you got to go back a little bit. First of all, I feel so sorry for the people in 401ks. How many times have I told you you're in the biggest skimming operation in the world, and fees can't be understated. Your fees in a 401k are 7 times that of an ETF spider. There's 27 hidden fees alone. You never get out of the stock market in time. Matter of fact, 75% of the people lose money in the stock market because they never get out in time. The volume in the stock market since the 2008 crash is down 52% because people had it with the stock market. They're mad at the stock market. Well, they shouldn't be mad at the stock market because the stock market is the best place in the world to make money if you know what you're doing. But they're mad because they never get out in time. Because your planners, your brokers, the people who are supposed to be the experts you're listening to on Fake Business News Network. Right now, the ratings on CNBC are, I don't know why the ratings are so high on CNBC, and the ratings have doubled on Fake Business News Network, the Fox Business. These are the people who got you in trouble. These are the same people calling themselves experts. You know, so everybody comes on their shows now, they call them experts. Well, if they're so expert, then how come they didn't predict this like I did in 2016? I'm sorry, 2018. It's just unbelievable, the stupidity here, what's going on. So there's a great opportunity here, the biggest opportunity, Saturday, before it gets filled up, 12 to 3 Eastern Time. It's only $70, perfect time, special edition on Saturday. Sign up for it now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow, but we were right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative, he's just a grumpy old man? And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. Every day, we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded chart. See you on the charts.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay It's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Want to make profits in the stock market? PhilsGang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs, we're up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, look, if you're panicking, you're in a 401k, you can't get out because they've screwed you, because you're not allowed to make money when the market's going down. My members have been making money as this market has been collapsing. Okay, I had my people out of this market the weekend before they started to collapse. I had everybody set up shorting the market. If you look at our SDS, we're up now nicely 48%. That means instead of shorting the spiders, we sell it short, you buy an inverse SDS. It's much cheaper, easy to do. We also take our domestic market, which is the weakest of all markets, which nobody told you on Fake Business News Network. We shorted that, and we're up 29, 30% now on that one. Now, I can't guarantee you that you're going to be up 48 or 30%. I can't do that, okay? But I can guarantee you you're going to get the same services, that's for sure. The same team, okay, that got these folks in that position. But let's go back to what's going on here. That's what you want to hear. And you want to know, when is this going to be over? Well, the market is down 30% right now, the S&P. This is a full crash. But this is going to be worse than any other crash. When Larry Kudlow was asked today, this is amazing. I mean, the dumbest guy on earth. Listen.
I think it's completely unlike, let's say, 2008, 2009. This is not a question of systemic failure or bankruptcies. This is really a cash flow liquidity.
Oh, baloney. Yeah, this guy's unbelievable. Poor President Trump. If he loses, it's going to be because of this guy right here. This guy right here. Let's explain what happened. Okay, let's go back to the crash of 2008. Then you're going to know how you're going to end up with this deal going on. When Bernanke introduced near zero interest rates called QE, that's printing of money, it was with the idea that CEOs would take that money, near zero rates, and use that near zero interest money for business investments. That was his plan. He had big plans. He told them after the crash of 2008, 2009, take this money. Use it to build, to modernize new plants, build new plants, modernize the old plants, purchase new equipment. Come on, guys, increase your productivity so we can increase the wages of folks because they got wiped out. They lost $7 billion $7 trillion in home equity. They lost another $9 trillion in stock equity. 8 million have lost their jobs. Come on, guys. Let's all get together. We're America. We're going to give you this money free. Go out and start buying new equipment so we can get these people producing again. Okay. All right. Good idea, huh? Sounded good. All right. But what happened? It didn't work. Why? Because the CEOs weren't about to use that money to do business investment. What are you, out of your mind? Go into debt with a new president who is working on redistribution of wealth, a socialist who just brought in a guy by the name of, can't think of his name now, but I'll get it. Brought him in from Chicago, a member of the Chicago Communist Party, and he set up a whole czar program. Remember this? A czar program. Can't think of his name. Brown, his name is? I'll find it for you. So Obama gets into office, and guess what he thinks about? He's thinking about, hey, let's not build jobs and economy. Let's do redistribution of wealth. Let's build a welfare state, a biggest welfare state we can. Yes, that was his idea. Not to build jobs, not to expand the economy, but to expand his welfare state. Redistribution of wealth, that's socialism. So, Bernanke believed, however, that he could work with Obama. He thought, well, let's look, he can go build his socialist state. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on QE and zero rates. I'm going to stimulate corporate investment, get these CEOs to build new plants and so forth. And I'm going to build the economy to 4 to 5%. That's stupid. What a stupid idea he had. You can't build that when the president, on the other hand, is giving out new cell phones, who's doing redistribution of wealth. Because what CEO is going to borrow money, even if it's free, to invest in new equipment, new machinery, new plant, when you got a socialist as a president who's doing redistribution of wealth? Who the hell is going to? You can't have growth. They're not stupid. And everything you looked at in 2008, 2009, okay, that measures, are you going to have economic growth in the future? We have red flags. One of them is durable goods orders. Durable goods orders looks out, forward, 6 months to a year. And they saw no orders. Nobody was ordering anything because we had a socialist. He wasn't going to build the economy. He was going to give everybody an Obama phone, remember? Yeah, we had a president who had no interest in growing the economy. None. In fact, So since the recession ended by mid-2009 under both Obama and Trump, both Bernanke, remember, the economy, when he finished, it didn't even grow 3%. Obama and Bernanke never grew the economy even 3%. It was a total failure. Total failure. When he finished, because what happened was the CEO said, I'll take that money, but you know what I'm going to do with the money? I'm going to get wealthy. I'm going to take that money and I'm going to buy the company's stock. And because my salary is tied to stock, I'm going to take that money and keep buying my own shares of my company. And I'm going to force my company stock up and I'm going to get rich. My partners are going to get rich. My biggest shareholder is going to get rich. Why the hell would I take that money and help the workers? Why would I take by buying new equipment, new machinery? So instead, Obama and Bernanke, both of them, always worked for the state, always worked for a government, never built a business themselves, never built anything themselves. They didn't get what was going on. They're giving these gangsters free money to enrich themselves while screwing Main Street. They're both too stupid to see it because they never held a job in their life. We'll be right back with more. Join my gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1 90020.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And the Federal Reserve taking emergency action yesterday, again cutting interest rates to near zero, a range of between 0 and 0.25%. In addition to that, they launched a $700 billion round of quantitative.
So what good is that? We've been through that already. Welcome back to Phil's Gang. I'm going to explain where we're at and why we're in a much worse shape now, much worse. But remember, you can join my gang. If you've been looking for a person your whole life, I just wish I could find somebody that gets me in and gets me out. I don't have to do any work, don't have to do a thing, just tells me when I get in and looks out for my best interest and gets me out in time. Honest, 75% of you lose money, you get mad at the markets, nobody gets you out because they don't have any interest in getting you out in time. The poor folks in 401ks, you're so screwed. Every crash, you get stuck. Unbelievable. So, look, we're doing terrific, and I hate giving you the percentages. I hate doing it. I really do. I'm not just saying that. I hate doing that. But I'm going to give them to you because we have our members positioned making money going down. And you know when we position them making money going down? We started to position them on February 25th. On February 25th, it turned red. That meant a lot of money was coming out of the market. We could see it. If you go to my site right now, philsgang.com, if you have a mobile, mobile device, you can see where it turned red? This is no game. This thing works. It worked. And then on Monday, we came back, remember over the weekend, and we came back on March 6th. And the next day, that was March 6th was Friday, we came back Monday, the market dropped. Remember in the morning, 800 points? Then we had everybody short SDS, and we got everybody short RWM. That day or earlier, we had everybody short the market. So SDS, since then, now SDS is now up. Okay, we've got a beautiful profit in SDS of 48%. We're not losing money in the market. We got a beautiful profit in RWM. We're making money as the market goes down, 29%. It works. So all you do is go to my site, philsgang.com. Sign up. It's free. Now, the package, when you go in, you sign up for the Working Investor Package, so there's no misunderstanding. It's a package where you get my color-coded chart and you get my membership. The package is $59.95. It's $29.95 for the MV2 color-coded chart, $39.95 for the gang membership. You get the package together. You pay nothing. until after the 10th day. If you decide to stay, then you can either keep that package or you can decide to keep the membership or keep the charge, whatever one you want. Okay, if you decide to keep the charge, $29.95. If you decide to keep the membership, it's $39.95. You want them both, you get $10 discounts. That's simple. Now, also on this Saturday, we're going to have a webinar from 12 to 3 specifically on shorting. On shorting, how you make money when market goes down. That's 12 to 3 Eastern time. It's $70. That's this Saturday, so make sure you sign up, okay, before it gets filled, 12 to 3. All right? Now, let's go back to what happened here. What is happening today is a result of 2009 QE. The QE in 2009, when they put in $3 trillion, it failed to promote any economic growth. The idea was business investment. Bernanke says to new President Obama, okay, I'm going to go and do quantitative easing. Obama says, well, I'm a socialist. I'm going to do redistribution of wealth. You do your thing, I'll do my thing. First of all, that was pretty stupid. But Bernanke, remember, he always worked for a college. He always worked for the government. He never held a job in his life, nor did Obama. The both of them were on two different roads going. So you got one saying, okay, I'll work on redistribution of wealth, on socialism, and I'm going to take care of that, and I'm going to build our welfare state. I'm not going to be working on the economy or jobs. I want to work on expanding welfare. So they brought in the czar, Van Jones, straight from the Chicago Communist Party, and he puts him in charge of the czar program. Remember that? In the meantime, Obama introduced crippling regulations. He was going to cripple small businesses because he had to kill small businesses. Because small businesses, remember, is the foundation of the United States of America, of our economy, because it's the foundation, it's our middle class. He has to kill the middle class. Any socialist has to kill the middle class. So you kill them by killing small businesses, wiping them out. And he did that with regulations. Then he screwed the savers. He drops saving rates from 3.5 down to 0. So that Bernanke could turn around and give CEOs with a cockamamie idea that all the CEOs are going to take all this money and they're going to put it into business investment, which new machinery, new plants, new equipment. They're going to produce more. People are going to get raises. 70% of our economy grows from consumption. The consumer, he thought everything was going to be okay. But on the other side of the ledger, you got a socialist on the other. How's this going to work? It didn't. Now, they said, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to drop these rates down so we get the housing market going again. Well, what good is that? You could drop interest rates on housing to 0. It didn't matter. 8 million people lost their jobs. $9 million, $9 trillion lost, wiped out in stock. Their homes gone. If they still had a home, they lost their equity, about 7 to 9 trillion. What good is that? These people were so stupid, these educated nincompoops, the two of them, never had a job in their life. They always worked for the government or a college. So all that happened was he goes in, he starts pumping this money in, and the CEOs turn around and say, no, why would the hell would we take this money? You give me this money for free. Why would I buy a new factory? Why would I invest it in a new factory or new machinery? Are you nuts? I only invest in a new factory, new machinery, if I can see I'm going to sell more stuff because the economy's expanding. But the economy's not expanding, Bernanke, you dope. Because why? Because you got a socialist by the name of Obama who wants to redistribute everybody's wealth. I'm not going to get involved. You can't grow an economy if you got a president doing redistribution of wealth and choking me to death with regulations, you idiot. That's what they told Bernanke. So instead of shutting them off, Bernanke said, oh, okay, keep the money, do stock buybacks. And that's what they did. They did stock buybacks for 8 years. Getting phenomenally wealthy. Now, about 2012, the stock market's soaring. Now that people start looking at the market and are getting convinced by the fake business news network, Maria Bartiromo and the rest of them, boy, the stock market's the economy. So after watching the market for about 5 years, 6 years, they're going, well, maybe they're right. I'm not scared anymore. Remember, after the crash, nobody was buying homes. Nobody, if you gave them free money, interest-free, they weren't going to go buy anything. They were trying to get their debt down. People weren't in homes anymore. They lost their home and renting. People were trying to get their debt behind them. But within 4 or 5 years, they see the market up. God, the market's up now 300%. They're going, well, maybe they're right. Maybe the stock market is the economy. So I'll start borrowing on my credit card. So they started borrowing again, buying cars, everything else. Their debt exploded. They became debt slaves. Trump comes into being. Trump says, this is stupid. This is stupid. This is nothing but a big, fat, ugly bubble. Remember when he said that? This is a big, fat, ugly bubble. I mean, he must have said that 5,000 times.
We are in a big, fat, ugly bubble.
So he becomes president, and he brings in an idiot. He brings in a dope. He brings that moron. I can't think. I'm so mad at him. Kudlow. He brings in Kudlow, his advisor. Are you nuts? So now he turns around. He's got Kudlow in there, and Kudlow says to him, "Wait! Stop saying it's a big, fat, ugly market. Don't say it's a bubble. Own it. Marry it. Tell him it's yours. Tell him you built it." And Trump said, "Oh, okay." And so all of a sudden Trump, his chest is pumped out. Hey, I built this big, fat, ugly bubble. I made a mistake. It's mine. It's mine. I love it. I love it. Everybody's nuts. This is why this is going on right now. Thank God.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Want to make profits in the stock market? philsgang.com is running its best promotion ever. For the holiday season, Phil's Gang is giving you the Working Investor Program free for 10 days. That's right. Get the Phil's Gang membership and the MV2 color-coded chart free for a 10-day trial. Go to philsgang.com and click on Get Started. Then choose the Working Investor Program for your 10-day free trial. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
What you are feeling now, the stock market crash, this all started back in 2009. It's the accumulation of all the BS since 2009. It's the accumulation of all stock buybacks with zero interest since 2009. Two mistakes that were made by Bernanke in 2009 when he said, I'm going to give you, all the CEOs, I'm going to give you this money free. Go and do stock, go and start buying equipment, machinery, so you can increase productivity to give everybody wage increases so they go consume, because consumption is 70% of our economy's growth. We need that. When they said no, because your president, Bernanke, is an idiot, your president, Obama's a dope. He's out there doing redistribution of wealth. He wants to take my wealth and redistribute somewhere, and he's going to give everybody an Obama fund. Are you nuts? I'm not going to take and commit to buying a new factory or new plant or new equipment. Why would I? You got Obama, who's a moron. He brings in a communist, Van Jones, as a czar. So the CEOs turned around and said, no, but we're going to keep the money. Thank you. And we're going to buy our own stock, and we're going to get incredibly wealthy. Bernanke should have stopped it then. Stock buybacks then. Just like Trump. When Trump turned around, he shouldn't have listened to Kudlow. When he gave the tax cut for $1 trillion to the CEOs of these corporations and with a promise they were going to invest that money. Instead, they took the money and doing stock buybacks. He should have shut the stock buybacks off immediately. So that's why we have the problem. Bernanke never shut it off. So they're getting richer and richer and richer. 5% of the population is so wealthy. And then eventually, as I say, the poor folks in 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, they're trying to get back. They're renting homes. They lost their house. They're trying to get a better job. They're working. And then they're trying to pay their bills off. Then finally, around 2012, they see the market up 300%, and they're being convinced every day by the fake business news network that the economy's the stock market. So go ahead, start borrowing again. You paid everything off in the last 5 years. Go borrow again, because everything's beautiful. I mean, remember Maria?
And you have to admit, things are going well. There's euphoria in the air.
Yeah, euphoria in the air. Then you have this idiot turning around and Art Laffer.
It's just a wonderful world we're living in. So you
have this guy, so you have a poor person, lost his house, lost everything, renting, has no home, starts getting a job, starts making a little bit of money, and he listens to them. Well, it must be okay. I can go borrow money again. I'll get a car for 7 to 10 years. Maybe they'll finance it for 20 years. I don't know. I'll get a dog. I'll get a pit bull. Maybe they'll finance him for 10 years. I'll get a chain, put it on his neck, tied to the bumper of my Jeep. Maybe they'll finance that for 15 years. And that's what they did. So then Trump comes in, and Trump says, I got to stop this. And then he surrounds himself with morons. Moore, Laffer, and Kudlow, and they convince him, look, keep doing stock buybacks. Look at the markets going. We're now up 400%. The two biggest markets we ever had was 85% on the dot-com crash and 82% on the housing crash. This is 400%. Take credit for it, Mr. President. Yeah, but I said it was a big, fat, ugly bubble during my case. Nobody's going to listen. Don't worry. Nobody's going to remember that. Just promise them everything. Tell me you're going to repeal Obamacare. You're going to build roads and airports and spaceships, and you're going to be walking on water and all that. You're going to give everybody a cabin. Whatever. Just do whatever you got to do. Tell them you're taking credit for it. And he did, like a moron. He takes credit for it. Now look at him. He could lose the election. Wouldn't that be unbelievable? So finally now, here we are. The market finally crashes, and not because of some disease. It crashed because we have huge debt. We have humongous debt. We've never had debt like this ever, our country. $262 trillion in debt sitting out there. That's all we've done is debt, 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 debt. We're dying with debt. We have the biggest budget deficits, the biggest trade deficits. Debt from here to ever. At some point you got to pay debt back. But see, the stock buybacks were able to mask all that. And Trump was going to come in and he was going to blow it up. And he said to everybody, he said, this is an ugly fat bubble. This is stupid. And he was going to blow it up. But he decided to go with it. Now here he is. He's in a market that's already down 30%. This could cost him the election if he only has stayed with it. So what are we going to do? I can't help him. I can't help that. What we're going to do, I'm going to help my gang members. So become a member, because all I know, we're on the right side of this stock market crash. We were positioned short. We came in on that Friday. On March 6th, I told my members, take your profits like we do every Friday. Keep a scout on you. You don't know what's going to happen. We came in Monday morning. Market was down 800%. I quickly shifted everybody to SDS and RWM. That's the reversal of the spiders and our domestic market, IWM. So you buy it instead of short it. So now they're doing beautiful, okay? And our gold, I said, let's short gold. They're going to try to kill gold because remember what they do. The Federal Reserve they sell dollars, not gold. They're going to try to kill gold, drop gold. They're going to try to kill it. And banks are getting killed because yields are dropping. Look where yields are. They're not even yields are crushed. And when yields get crushed, banks do terrible. Banks are the leader in the market. But they can't let gold go. They can't let gold go up. But look at here's what's going to happen with gold. We're short right now with our gold stocks, and we're doing beautifully. We're up 10% in one. We're up 36% in another. In dust, we're up. I think about I don't know what we're up now. It got hit this morning, but we're up about what? I think we're up about 83% still. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to sit back, and there's going to be some fantastic opportunities. The same charts that told us to sell short that identified it turned red. These charts turned red. They told us the institutions were pulling their money out while everybody else was telling you to get in. My charts were saying get out. So that's what we're going to do. And so we've got some fantastic opportunities. We listed today already some advanced orders on Microsoft and Wells Fargo and Target and a tanker company, TNK. And we got a mining company, drilling, oil and gas drilling, Apple. So these we're already setting up in advance. So we're ahead of it again. So that's what we're doing, and that's what I'll do for you, okay? Join the gang, and all I ask when you start making money, help the kids. Look, if you're a person that always said, I just wish I could find somebody who will make sure I'm not losing money, make sure I get out in time, because the biggest loser of money is you don't get out in time. It's that simple. It's that simple. And the fact you've been lied to for 10 years watching the stock market going up, they've convinced you the stock market was the economy, and you believed it. You went out on the limb. You started buying cars. You started buying furniture. You started buying snowmobiles, watermobiles, two-mobiles, epi-mobiles. You bought everything. And then you went to the stores and got credit cards from the stores. You bought furniture on time. You bought a grill on time. You bought a fishing pole on time. Everybody's getting store. Every time I go in a store, you got your card? What card? What are you talking about card for a store? I don't have a card for a store. And the guy in front of me opens up his wallet. And he's got like 75 cards in his wallet. How the hell do you find them? I asked him. Guy in front of me said, I said, how do you know where the cards are? Pick a card, any card. It's unbelievable. You wouldn't believe this wallet. It looked like he was pulling a hamburger out of his back pocket. I swear to God, it looked like a hamburger. It's so thick. God. So now here we are. Now the market's crashing. And everybody's telling you, oh, it's the virus. It's the virus. Oh, let's see. How many people died? Let me go check it out here. I think I'll go online. See, 60 people died since February, right? How many people died from cancer? About 3,000 people. You know how many people died from choking in a restaurant? About 1,400 people compared to the 60 people that are dead from this virus. Don't tell me this virus is what's bringing this market down. What's bringing this market down has nothing to do with the virus. It's 10 years. We don't have a medical virus. We have a greed virus. Look, join my gang. Remember, Saturday, $70. One day, it's going to be 12 to 3 Eastern time. We're going to do a webinar so you know how to make money when the market's going down, okay? 12 to 3. Go in and sign up where it says pricing or trading. And get your free membership today. Try it for 10 days free. You'll love it. It works. At the end of 10 days, then make your decision what you want to do. Remember the kids at St. Jude. See you on the chart.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.